Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by assembling required papers and initiating the application now. Gather your mark sheets, degree certificate, and university ID. Keep 2 photocopy sets and originals ready. Next, arrange payment. Decide whether you will use demand draft, challan, or online payment. Note the exact fee amount. Once done, access Gujarat University's transcript application form. Choose online portal for speed or download the offline form. Carefully enter enrollment number, course name, and year of passing. Check spellings because errors slow processing. Now you complete the course submission steps, paying attention to detail. If online, upload clear scans, passport photo, ID, mark sheets, respecting file size limits and formats. If offline, attach photocopies and originals for verification. Make the payment, then keep the receipt and note the transaction ID or demand draft number because you will need it for follow-up. Submit the form either in person at the university office or electronically. Once submitted, obtain an acknowledgement number or stamped receipt. This is your tracking reference. Finally, you monitor progress and collect the transcript. Use the acknowledgement number on the university portal or call the verification desk to check status. Processing times vary, so be patient. When ready, choose in-person collection or courier delivery, bring original ID and the payment receipt for pickup. If processing stalls, make sure documents were authentic and payments cleared. Once done, present transaction proof. If still unresolved, escalate politely with the admission or examination office, quoting your acknowledgement number for faster.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.